And it is time to bring out your heavy coats and gloves, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Weather Watcher Mike Lee here with your Wednesday afternoon forecast. It is snowing outside. This is our first snow of the season. It's a very nice occasion. It's a very interesting occasion, very rare as well. So November snowstorms aren't that common in New Jersey. But I'll go back to that in just a moment. For now, though, coastal flood warning in effect. We have that nor'easter that is giving us that snow, and with nor'easters that comes a lot of precipitation and wind as well. That's no different from this one. Moderate coastal flooding is expected. 6 to 8 foot tides, 6 to 10 foot waves. Definitely not helpful to those areas impacted by Sandy. So these are not welcome at all, but definitely stay safe out there, and be sure to make sure your loved ones are safe as well. In addition, a wind advisory in effect. Winds from 15 to 25 miles an hour, gusts up to 50 as well. The strongest winds will be this afternoon and later on this evening and overnight, and this will be effective until Thursday early morning. And on top of all of that, we do have that winter weather advisory. Snow accumulations throughout the entire New Jersey region being 2 to 5 inches. That will be the snow will be changing over to a wintry mix overnight, and temperatures will also be falling as the snow moves into the area. So definitely be aware of that. Temperatures so far right now in the 30s, and as you can see, some parts of the state are above freezing, and you're probably wondering how it's snowing when the temperature is above freezing. Well, the surface temperature is only part of an equation to actually allow it to snow. It's also dependent on how cold the air is above us. The air aloft, if it's cold enough to sustain a snowflake until it hits the ground, then we are able to have snow. So even though we're hitting 37 degrees in Middlesex County, we are still getting snow because the air aloft is cold enough, and the warm air along the bottom is small enough to not make that snowflake melt. So as we get more snow, though, we'll see some more accumulations. This is the New Jersey radar for 3 o'clock. As you can see, some heavy snow around central New Jersey, Burlington County, Ocean County as well. Well, this here, right off next to the Raritan Bay, that's what we're really looking out for, these snow bands, these kind of just lines of heavier precipitation. These things, this is what's going to create those accumulations, especially when the surface temperature is much warmer. This, if it sustains, will move over Rutgers and give us a little bit more snow, maybe possibly 1 to 2 inches of snow. Here are your snow totals forecast. As you can see, central, anywhere from the central part of the map is going to see 4 to 6 inches anywhere north and west of Philadelphia. That'll be the hardest hit for today. For us, though, 1 to 2 inches and 2 to 4 inches for other parts of New Jersey. And good thing that the coast will not see any snow, because I think they've seen enough already. So some impacts you'll see from this nor'easter. The snow intensity will be increasing as the day goes on, and some slick spots will be appearing on some secondary roads. So definitely be aware of that. However, treated roadways will be mainly ice-free, so you can drive safely on those. But again, remember, follow the speed limit, take it slow, take a moment, definitely arrive back alive. Winds and snow will be breaking off branches possibly off any weak trees that Sandy has made vulnerable. So because Sandy has moved through the area last week, we are much more susceptible to the wind and the snow. So anything that she shook up, this system could possibly break down that Sandy couldn't break down before. Let's take it hour by hour, or 2 hours, a few hours by few hours. Temperature 34 degrees. Later on this afternoon, conditions will be worsening. Windy conditions, heavier snow as well. Gusts up to 46 miles an hour, so definitely be safe out there. Dinner time rush, winds and snow, not much better conditions. Leaving a little bit colder at 34 degrees. Winds not dying down either overnight, though, this evening, making the switch over to a wintry mix with a temperature of 35 degrees. So we are going to warm up just a little bit because there is some warmer air coming in through the storm. However, the winds will stay strong at 25 miles an hour, gusting up to 45. And overnight, just a wintry mess. Rain, sleet, snow throughout the entire evening. Low of 35 degrees as well. But there is some good news for us all out there. After we get past Thursday, of course, we'll have some lingering wintry mix in the morning. A 50% chance of that. Later on in the day, will be turning into rain. High 45 degrees. For Friday, sunny skies. Finally, a break for us, high 53 degrees. And for our football game on Saturday, high 57 degrees with sunny skies. So that's a nice, Mother Nature is really giving us a break now. I think it's well-deserved as well. Sunday for your Veterans Day forecast, high of 61 degrees, really getting to the above average, above normal temperatures for us here. And Monday, partly sunny skies, high of 65 degrees as well. So definitely a much better week for us here in New Brunswick, much better week for us in New Jersey after we get past this snowstorm. And if you missed our forecast, you can check RUTV Channel 6 every 15 minutes or on our Facebook page at RU Weather Watcher. You can also follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW, and you can always find us on rutv.rutgers.edu. Once again, I'm Mike Lee, and thanks for watching, and stay safe.